Hey lads, TechScanning here. So back in 2019, Xiaomi showcased one of its interesting smartphones named Mi Mix Alpha. The device looks futuristic with a surrounding display offering the highest screen-to-body ratio we have ever seen on a smartphone. Actually, the company even produced some of its units, but unfortunately for some reason, it never makes into store shelves. However, it seems like Xiaomi didn't abandon the idea, and now after 4 years, Xiaomi patented a new design that is somewhat similar to Mi Mix Alpha from 2019. And fortunately, we already have an idea how it will look like. So just like the original Mi Mix Alpha, the new smartphone design also have a wrapped around display. However, the new patent also showed a larger non-display area on the rear middle of the device. Interestingly, the 3 camera cutouts are given on the left side of the back display panel instead of the non-display area. Talking about the selfie camera, the previous Mi Mix Alpha doesn't use a front-facing camera, offering a clean all-display area. Instead, it made use of the rear main camera in collaboration with the rear display to take selfies. However, the newer design has got a punch hole cutout on the top left corner of the display for the single selfie cam. This change is understandable since the newer design hasn't got as much display area on the back as the original Mi Mix Alpha. Further, there will be capacitive volume keys located on the left edge of the screen. Other than that, this phone will have all the features we have seen in normal smartphones such as speaker grills, Type-C port and SIM card slot. Of course, at this point, it is just a patent, so there are no details on the camera sensors, chipset or the other specifications Xiaomi is gonna use. However, as Xiaomi is known to showcase interesting concepts at its anniversary in August, so we might see a prototype of this cool looking concept. Anyway, I think since 2019 AI and technologies improved a lot, so it could be an amazing smartphone to experience. Let me know what will be your thoughts if this design ever come to reality. And that's it for now. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.